morning to Green Valley School children of CBSE and Metric. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of different types of numbers and their definitions. Already numbers we come to know, which is nothing but a Indian system and international system we come to know, children. But today we are going to discuss about types of numbers which is related to the content of 6 to 9, whereas natural numbers is denoted by n. Natural numbers are denoted by n, and it is continuing by starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6 and so on. It has no n. Now the second one, the second one is a whole number which is denoted by w. Whole numbers are denoted by w, and there we find one prominent thing which is the 0 is introduced by the Indian mathematicians. That's why the whole numbers which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash 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 and so on. Here also we won't find the n digit, right? Next, the third one, which is none other than integers. Integers are denoted by z. Integers are denoted by z. Z, whereas, is another type of number which is having a negative number and positive number including 0. That means integers are numbers which is having negative numbers as well as positive numbers including 0. That means here we have given n type, here some numbers which is cannot be justified, and -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and so on. These are the integers. Next, third, we have to go for the integers after that. The another important number which is none other than rational number, which is none other than rational number. Rational number. Rational number. What is rational number? What is rational number? Rational number actually denoted by q. Rational number actually denoted by q. Here definition says that number which is of the form p by q, comma q is not equals to 0. P by q, q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. That means examples, the numbers of a fraction type numbers, 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and so on. We can give a number of examples here. That means whose denominator should not become as a 0. That's what a rational number. A rational number which is in the form of p by q, q is not equals to 0. Next, we are going to learn about what numbers? Even numbers. Fine. What numbers? Even numbers. What is that? Even numbers. Numbers divisible by 2 are even numbers. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Next, odd numbers. Odd numbers. Next is odd number. What is odd number? Numbers not divisible by 2. Numbers not divisible by 2. Example, what are the numbers not divisible by 2? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on are the numbers which are not divisible by 2. That's what they are called as odd numbers. Next one is composite numbers. Next is composite numbers. Shall I? Yes. Next is composite numbers. Next numbers is composite number. Composite numbers. number having more than two factors. That means example 4. How many factors it has? 1, 2, 4. That means more than two factors. 6, more than two factors. 7, no. 8, more than two factors. Like that, we can give n number of examples to the composite numbers. Okay. Next, after composite number, again a very important number which we have to learn forever, which is none other than prime number. What is prime number? The number divisible by 1 and itself. Number divisible by 1 and itself. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 will not be there, and 11 it will be, and 13, and so on. They are the prime numbers. Numbers having more than two factors are examples are called composite number. Examples 4, 6, 8. The numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Examples which are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are prime numbers. The last one which is twin primes. Primes. Any two primes whose difference is 2. Whose difference is 2. They are twin primes. Example, we have taken 2, 5. 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. Example, 2 and 5, if you subtract, so we will get 3. Therefore, it is not a twin prime. Now what shall we do? Then we have to go for the next number, which is none other than 3, 5. 3, 5 is a twin prime. Difference is 2. 5, 7, twin primes. 7, 11 will not be. 11, 13 are the twin primes. And like that, so many examples we can go ahead. Therefore, these are the very important definitions of numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day.